Back to the channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be installing the Godspeed Rear Camber Arms and switching the 8K rear springs to 10K, which are right here. And we got Kevin on the impact gun. Go for it. So obviously the first step you got to do is take off the rear wheels. So that's what we're doing here, but I'll come back when it's off. So one thing about the Genesis wheels, I didn't like that this is plasti dip, so we're just gonna hit this off and see how it looks without it. Now this should look cleaner when it's on the car, but let's get back to the rear camber arm installation. One of the main steps is to remove the brake line clip because you're gonna be dropping the subframe, so all the connecting wires and lines that are there, you have to disconnect so that it doesn't get destroyed when dropping the subframe. Oh, well, there's the first one. Shoot. Too much of the process, but essentially you have to drop the whole rear subframe just to get to the control arms. So we basically just need to loosen the subframe up and then we can get into the rear camber arm installation. But the preparation part legit takes like 2 hours, so be prepared to do that. But yeah, we'll see you once the subframe is dropped. So we need a wooden block for the jack stand, and we don't have any short ones, so now we're just freaking, you know, we're bootlegging it. Let's go for it.
I'm scared, dude.
Go. Oh my god, second time's the charm. Oh my god,
it's hard.
No. We got a saw. Probably should have did this the first time around.
Tired of being a Paul Bunyan.
Put our Bob the Builder hat on for this, man. Here it is. So I didn't really film much of the process, but here's the OEM rear camber arm. And then this is the Godspeed, the red one. And we got Kevin tightening it right here. Underneath the car, and this is the best view, you can see all the suspension parts. So on the left hand with the blue, that's the Corksport rear sway bar, and then in front of us directly is the Godspeed Mono SS coilovers. Well, this is the rear, so it's the spring and strut combo. And then in the back, the red part is actually the Godspeed rear camber arm. But sorry about not filming much. This actually was an extensive install. We have Calvin putting back the panels, the panels underneath, but this was a really extensive install. You basically have to take off the subframe. So each one of these, there's one in each corner, but before you can do that, to drop the subframe, you need to take off, you know, various wires and brake part assembly. So that's kind of what took the longest part. Granted, I am kind of amateur with working on cars, so this took me like 5 hours, but for someone experienced, I would say this probably would take 2.5 hours maybe. Got the wheel back on, took off the hubcap because I personally think it looks better without the plasti dipped cover, but we're gonna lower it. The camber arms are installed, we just need to get an alignment soon. But other than that, thanks for watching the video and hope to see you guys on the next upload.